Hello, so today we talk about what is ripple marks in geology. So ripple marks are ridges of sediments that forms in response of water, current or wave or wind actions along a layer of sediments. The symmetry of water current ripple marks indicate whether they were formed by gentle waves or faster water currents. These sedimentary structures are formed perpendicular to the wind directions and each ridge is roughly equidistant from the ripple marks on either side. So see here, this is a ripple mark structures. So this is the direction actually of water or wind directions, and this is the ripple marks which is forms in perpendicular to the wave actions. Types of ripple marks. So there is two type of ripple marks: symmetrical ripple marks and asymmetrical ripple marks. So symmetrical ripple marks often found on beaches. They are created by a two-way current. For example, the wave on a beach swash and backwash. So this type of ripple marks forms in beaches actually, where water is first of all flowing in one direction and then return to the back directions. So this creates ripple marks with pointed crest and rounded troughs, which aren't inclined more to certain directions actually. So three common sedimentary structures that are created by these processes are herringbone cross stratifications, flasher bedding, and interference ripples. See here, this is a back and fourth current actually, and by this action the symmetrical ripple marks which actually forms. So as you can see, this is the crest and this is the trough area. Here this is the crest and this is the trough area actually. Asymmetrical ripple marks, so these are created by one way current, for example in a river or the wind in a desert. This create ripple marks with still pointed crest and rounded troughs, but which are inclined more strongly in the direction of current. For this reason, they can be used as a paleocurrent indicators. So this type of ripple marks is actually forms by one-way current actually. See here, this is asymmetrical ripple marks actually. So this type of ripple marks is actually used for paleocurrent indicators actually, because one way current is actually very important, and one way current is actually flows for millions of years, and in that time of period the sediment is deposited in particular basins or area. So asymmetrical ripple marks is very important for paleocurrent indicators and to delineate the age of stratigraphy. See here, this is the one way current. As you can see, this is the crest and this is the trough. So this is the asymmetrical ripple marks actually.
To know the latest updates on geotourism and modern geotechniques, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.